Hi everyone, hi, welcome back to my painting channel. So today I want to start painting something intuitive. So I have no plan, this is raw canvas. I do have a pinkish color, it's left over, some yellow ochre, and I want to start with that. So let's just do something here. So I just dropped this color. Let's just drop this. It's a beautiful color. Quite watery. Go for a shape here. I don't know. I'm just playing around a little bit. Just seeing what feels right. Not feeling it yet, so I keep continuing. That's some of this yellow. Well, that's not some, right? It's quite some. Right, kind of feeling this shape though. Now. Okay, well, I'm really enjoying this shape. And start building over this some other layers. That'll be interesting. I'll be back. This gradient is pretty neat, isn't it? I do like the shape too, very organic. So I'm thinking, let's do it again, but then, you know, like somewhere here. Just using the same colors, you know, why not? Why not? Let's drop this color up here. Let's first make the shape. So this is more an orange shade. It was so intuitive, that part, right? So I don't even know how I did that. I can watch footage back and done that. I do need to touch up this line a little bit and then I will let this dry and I'll be back. If you know me a little bit, then you probably know what's coming. It's green, baby! This would really fit this color. I'm sure of it. But I'm also quite scared. So this is a sand green mixed with a burnt amber light, and you know, it's like this moody green, which I really love, and I think that would work amazingly against those colors. But hey, I need to create a layer here, a shape, because I'm creating shapes today. So now I got this shape, which is still drying. I think I like it quite a lot. So I'm thinking of creating a shape over here as well. But I don't have a lot of this color left, so I will dilute it with just some more water. And so it becomes a bit more transparent than that one. And I think that's great. So let's start doing that. Alright, I will fix that edge and probably I will blow dry it really quickly and I'll be back. Alright, I think we're really getting somewhere. So what I did is I took a picture of this work and then I drew some lines on my mobile. And I love these lines. It really makes this composition, makes those colors pop, and also creates more of a botanical leaf shape harmony. I can tape this off fully to create those white lines, but I think that will take me forever to do. And I also have this one for all acrylic pencil. I don't think that will really work out here, but I just wanna create the outline of the shapes and then yeah, probably just make it better with some white paint and a brush. Let's start using this pencil. First time, here we go. Alright, so now I do want these lines a lot more prominent and a lot neater. That looks... Yeah, I will definitely start doing this with a brush. You won't want to see me do this because this is going to take me forever, so I'll be back with the end result. It's different, it's cheerful, it's boho, it's like this perfect transition really, and it started out quite intuitive, so it's the blend of me working with the transparent layers on my landscapes, a little bit of the roots on my botanicals. Also, there were some design elements in this, like these white lines. And as well, this is really the minimalism that I used in my Dutch Porsche. So I think this is such a style that suits me. I really enjoy the calmness and the beautiful blend. And of course, the raw canvas that really creates body in these works. Those transparent layers, but also you see that raw canvas really gives it a little bit more texture, and also the layers are so smooth and the edges are super cool, aren't they? Well, this is different. This is different. I might make a little collection out of these works. I love this process, and I would love to hear what you think. It's a boho painting. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Saturday.